In this video, we're going to show you how to reset the oil life on your Honda Ridgeline. Going to insert your key, turn it to the on position. That's going to light up your dash cluster here, and you can see on the bottom of the dash there, ours actually defaulted to the oil life at 50%. We changed our oil a little bit early. Otherwise, if you're already at your time frame to change, it's going to give you a service due. So you go ahead and press the select button. We have select and reset on the right side of the dash, right by the selector lever. And you can see if you press the select button, it's going to cycle through and it's going to bring you through to the oil life. So what we're going to do is we're going to press and hold the reset and hold it for about 10 seconds. So now we've held that for 10 seconds and it brings up our maintenance reset. You're going to come up to select and you have the N right here and you want it to go to yes. And then you can press the reset and it resets your oil life to 100%. You're all set. You can shut off that key. And that's how you reset your oil life on your Honda Ridgeline.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.